Welcome back to another video, my favorite blockchain degenerates. Today we're talking about Stellar Lumens. As you have noticed from the title, Stellar here is trying to make money move like email over the internet. So that's what they're doing in this decentralized Web3 world, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. But before we do get into it, we're going to cover a little bit of news when it comes to the European Parliament and crypto regulation. Now, if you do enjoy the video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Enjoy the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It really means a lot to me. So right here we can see the European Parliament is canceling the vote on crypto assets framework, which basically means that they won't be banning proof of work projects just yet. Now in the future, if they do actually ban it, so that's Bitcoin, that's probably a few other things out there, it's not necessarily a bad thing because proof of stake is more efficient, and essentially proof of work means, for those of you who don't know, means that you need to mine to actually complete transactions and to enable the network to work. And proof of stake means that you need to stake instead of mine for the network to work. And it wastes so much less energy and is a lot more sustainable, which is why it's okay for them to consider regulating it. Now moving into Stellar, it is an open network for storing and moving money. It's borderless, limitless, powerful, makes money better. You can exchange pretty much anything to anything else using the Stellar token or XLM. Now I will be talking about the chart and what a bullish correction pattern actually looks like in theory. So it's something along the lines of this, before moving towards more upside. But before we do get into that, let's just continue what they're actually doing. So they're creating these global payment apps as well. They are creating asset exchanges where essentially you can exchange Stellar to the US dollar to other cryptos and swap between tokens and different pools very simply. Micropayment services as well for payments of pretty much any type. Right here you can see 0.001 Stellar is the actual transaction fee. It's designed for developers. It has a lot of things that are actually built upon it, such as QInvest, Circle, MoneyGram, and a lot more, which actually use XLM as a structured payment token. So right here, moving into the chart, we can see that we are creating a bullish correction pattern. So we had the upside, we have a correction, and this looks like a long-term correction, right? So something that may go up in the long-term future, right? We are creating a double bottom level as well, which is very important to see. But what exactly is a bullish flag pattern? Well, essentially when the market is in a bull run, we're going to have areas where people take profits, and essentially each of these bull flags is profit taking. So sellers are taking over, taking profits, then buyers are taking over, moving price up, sellers taking profits again. And at one point, buyers will just become so strong that they will just, shoot the price absolutely outwards. And that's pretty much what I expect to happen with Stellar, as well as with the whole cryptocurrency market. And essentially, the question is, are we going to do it now? Well, I don't know. This is a very significant zone of resistance. If we break above it, I'm pretty sure we're moving upwards. But if we don't break and close above it, we're going to still continue moving downwards. Okay, so that's something you need to keep in mind. This is the $0.25 level, so make sure to see, do we close above that level or not? If we do close above, if we do form something like this, I would wait for a retracement and purchase right here, waiting for another leg towards the upside. So that's it for today's video. Lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest into crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.